Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for that? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. The Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is designed for players who seek the perfect balance of power, control, and comfort in a lightweight frame. At just 285 grams unstrung, this racket offers excellent maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for beginners, intermediate players, or advanced players who prefer a lighter racket for fast-paced rallies. Featuring Yonex's signature isometric head shape with a 100 square in head size, the EZONE 100L expands the sweet spot for greater forgiveness on off-center hits. Constructed entirely from high-quality graphite, the frame and shaft deliver enhanced stability and responsiveness, ensuring consistent performance with every stroke. The 27-inch length provides extended reach and improved leverage for serves and ground strokes, while the 4 1/8 grip size ensures a comfortable hold for a wide range of hand sizes. This racket also integrates Yonex's innovative technology to reduce vibrations, resulting in a smoother, more arm-friendly feel. Whether you're mastering baseline shots, executing precise volleys, or adding spin to your serves, the EZONE 100L helps you play with confidence and versatility. Designed for all skill levels, this racket is perfect for adults who want a reliable blend of speed, comfort, and control. If you're looking for a racket that delivers powerful shots while remaining easy to handle, the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 is a top-tier choice that enhances your overall game. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th generation, tennis racket is built for players who want maximum power, forgiveness, and comfort without sacrificing control. Known as one of the most popular rackets worldwide, the Pure Drive series continues to deliver explosive performance, and the 110 model takes it further with a larger head size, 110 square in, for an expanded sweet spot and enhanced playability. Weighing in at a manageable frame weight, this racket is designed for all skill levels, from beginners learning the game to experienced players seeking a lightweight, powerful option. The extended length of 27.6 inches provides added reach on serves and ground strokes, giving you an edge on every shot. Its wide sweet spot ensures forgiveness on off-center hits, making it easier to generate depth and consistency. This racket comes professionally strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gutted mid-range tension, offering the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and playability right out of the box. Crafted with Babolat's advanced frame technology, the Pure Drive 110 delivers stability and vibration dampening for a smoother, arm-friendly feel. Whether you're crushing baseline rallies, hitting powerful serves, or finishing points with volleys, the Pure Drive 110 provides the explosive power and responsiveness you need to elevate your game. Perfect for adults looking for a racket that combines power, forgiveness, and easy handling, the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th Gen, is a winning choice on the court. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Generation Tennis Racket is designed for players who want to dominate the game with explosive spin and controlled power, inspired by Rafael Nadal's aggressive playing style. Featuring a 4 3/8 inches grip size and weighing just 289 grams unstrung, this racket strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and stability, making it ideal for advanced players who thrive on high-intensity rallies. Built with a 100 square in head size and Babolat's innovative Aero frame design, the Pure Aero Rafa enhances racket head speed, enabling players to generate heavy topspin and kick serves with ease. The graphite construction in the frame and shaft delivers exceptional strength and responsiveness, ensuring reliable performance and precision on every stroke. The unique design of this second-generation model features Nadal's signature style, blending bold colors with advanced technology for a racket that stands out both in looks and performance. Its optimized string spacing improves bite on the ball for maximum spin potential, while vibration dampening technology provides a more comfortable, arm-friendly feel. Perfect for adults and competitive players, the pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is engineered for those who want to control the court with fast swings, aggressive baseline play, and confident finishing shots. If you're seeking a racket that delivers spin, speed, and Rafa-inspired power, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Generation is the ultimate weapon for your tennis game. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 performance tennis racket is crafted for advanced players seeking precision, control, and an unmatched connection to the ball. With a 305-gram unstrung weight and a 4 3/8 inches grip size, this racket offers the stability and responsiveness needed for aggressive baseline rallies and all-court play. Engineered with braided graphite and basalt construction, the Blade 98 provides a uniquely flexible feel, enhancing ball pocketing and overall control. The 16x19 string pattern delivers an excellent blend of spin and power, allowing players to strike confidently with heavy topspin or flat precision. The 98 square in head size ensures pinpoint accuracy while still offering a forgiving sweet spot for consistent performance during fast-paced matches. The Blade series is trusted by professional athletes for its balance of feel and stability, and the V9 takes it further with improved frame innovations that elevate responsiveness without sacrificing comfort. Its sleek design and modern frame geometry optimize energy transfer, giving you the tools to dictate play with confidence. Perfect for adult players at advanced skill levels, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 is ideal for competitors who want to maximize control, harness spin, and command every point from the baseline or at the net. Unstrung and customizable to your preferred string setup, this racket offers the ultimate performance platform for serious players. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is designed for players who want to strike the perfect balance of power, speed, and control on the court. Featuring a 4.5 inches grip size and weighing just 11.1 ounces, unstrung, this racket delivers outstanding maneuverability while maintaining the stability needed for confident, high-performance play. Crafted with Head's Graphite 360 Plus technology, the Speed MP enhances energy transfer for greater power while providing exceptional flex and a clean impact feel. The advanced graphite frame and shaft construction give the racket a solid yet responsive touch, making it a reliable choice for ground strokes, volleys, and serves alike. With its 100 square in head size, the racket offers a generous sweet spot, ensuring forgiveness on off-center hits and helping players maintain consistency during intense rallies. The Speed MP is a versatile option suitable for all skill levels, from ambitious beginners to seasoned competitors. Its well-balanced design caters to aggressive baseline players looking to generate speed and spin, as well as all-court players who value precision and adaptability. The lightweight yet sturdy frame allows for quick swings, enabling players to react faster and dictate points with confidence. Trusted by professionals and recreational athletes alike, the Head 2022 Speed MP is built to elevate your game with a perfect combination of control, spin, and speed. For adults seeking a racket that keeps up with fast-paced modern tennis, this model is a winning choice.